Hello and welcome back to this tutorial series. In this episode we will take a look on this moving platform which is using a sequencer. A sequencer is basically this clapperboard here, as you can see. So we select it and say right click, browse to asset. Let's open it up with double click. So this is a level sequence which has a timeline and some objects. So let's create something by our own. Let's go back to this end here, where we have already this level sequence inside the world. Let's delete it. Go to the content browser, say right click, cinematics, level sequence. And let's call this platforms, just for example. We can take it and place it inside the world, right here, and open it up. So as you can see, it's empty, has no objects, has a timeline here. So let's close this again. Select, for example, this platform, again browse to asset, and as usual we just place it inside the world. Let's say we want that this platform is moving from here to there. Let's create a second one and move this up here to the, as you can see, activity 2 destination, like that. Great. Now we go again to our level sequence. So this one here, browse to asset, open it up again. And now we can select the platform, go to add, actor to sequencer, and we can add the selected platform. Let's do this for the other platform as well. So add, like that. And now you can open up the transform of both of these. You can see we can now change the location, rotation, and the scale. So for the begin, we select the first platform and hit the location and rotation for both of these, and we create these points here. When you select these points, you can just click delete and delete them again, so you can easily change them later if you want. So let's place this inside of the middle. So 75, for example. Move this platform back to here and hit the location and rotation again. So as you can see, there's a line drawing for the position. And when we move now the timeline, we can see that the object is moving like we want. So this is the start position, and this is the position that we reach at 75. So let's move it to the end and simply move it back to the original position and hit the rotation and location again. So what it does now, as you can see, it moves back and forth. Let's do the same thing for the other platform. So we hit the location and the rotation, then we just move it to 75 and we move the platform to the other platform, move it a little bit down here. Let's say we want a rotation as well, so we rotate it like that. And then we just hit the location and the rotation. Now let's fix the rotation again, like that. And now you can see it have a location, the rotation movement now. So let's move it to the end. And let's make it a little bit easier. So we just select the point, hit Ctrl C, move to the end, and hit Ctrl V. And do the same thing for the rotation. So like that. And now you can see we have a perfect movement for the platform. We hit save, we can close the sequencer, and we are basically done. Let's open up the window details of the sequencer itself. We hit the autoplay, so it's activated at the begin, and we want to loop it. Just for testing, let's move the player start again to this position here. Also, let's have a checkpoint at the destination. So we just search again for checkpoint, like last time, and then we hit play. So let's jump on these platforms here, jump on the next platform, and we are on the final platform and hit the checkpoint. Great. In the next episode, we will take a look on power-ups and coins that we can collect, and we'll move to this platform there. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you have any questions, please let me know, and yeah, goodbye.